Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I'm on a bit of a time constraint right now. The construction people are supposed to be coming and installing a new transformer for the house they're building next door, and I'm going to be without power, and they said that was going to be at 8 o'clock. It is now 8:55 and they are not here yet. I'm sure they're going to be here any minute, so I'm just going to hop to it. So as you can see, I have my brows and foundation on, but I need some concealer. There's been a ton of concealers coming out as well as foundation. So today I'm going to try out the new $5 concealer from E.L.F. It is the 16-hour Camo concealer. I have the shade Fair Beige, which I believe is the lightest shade. It says it's supposed to conceal those pesky spots and under eye circles with this high coverage, crease resistant 16-hour concealer. So let's see. Ooh, that is a pretty giant doe foot applicator. So I'm just gonna slap some on. I'm gonna start with just a little bit, because if this is full coverage or high coverage, it you know, a little bit might go a long way. So I've got my damp beauty blender, blending it out. Ooh, I'm brightened. I am brightened, and I love it. Actually gonna take just the tiny bit that's left on my beauty blender, put it down the center of my nose, a little bit on my chin, why not? Blend out a little bit more. Okay, as always, taking my Mercier translucent loose setting powder, I'm just gonna set this. So this concealer seemed a little thick, but not too heavy. Like, I can handle that for the coverage. So just something to note. And wipe that minuscule amount off. And I think I look pretty concealed and brightened. I maybe could have put another dot of concealer on, just because I'm really OCD about my dark circles. But this looks really nice and brightening. So I know that was really fast and short. I am going to do a check-in, so I will let you know how this wears. It's supposed to be crease proof, so hopefully I won't have any issues with that. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it has been 6 hours. I'm sorry that I'm always in my bathroom, but I feel like I get really good lighting in here. But let's talk about this concealer. So it's creasing pretty moderately to pretty bad. Not good. And I feel like some of the coverage has faded. So although $5 for a pretty full coverage to start with concealer is not bad, I'm not sure if I absolutely love this. Once again, I feel like I say this all the time. If your skin isn't so dry, this might work better for you. But for me, I'm not the biggest fan. I could always mix it a little bit with some other concealers, blend that out, and then maybe not have such a bad time. So I will use it, just probably not by itself. But if you are not dry skinned and you're looking for pretty decent coverage, I would say this is not a bad concealer, once again, for $5. But for me, it's definitely not my favorite concealer that I've ever used. But that is just my opinion. So if you love this concealer, please continue to do so. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.